Hi, this is Bett Bollhoefer, and this is a quick set of exercises to get into the trapezius muscles. We also work at the front between the bicep and the pectoral. These are exercises you can do with weights, like a very light dumbbell, or you can even do it without weights. You also would like to use an exercise band. So you can do this on the ground. If you have a bench, it's even better. You also need a pole to do some of the exercises I'll be showing you with the band. So this is going to help you with healing if you have an injury or you just feel a lot of weakness in the upper part of your neck and between your shoulder blades. I hope you like, subscribe, and share with a friend. So with this exercise, we're really working this part of the back, and you want a rubber band, exercise band that you can pull and has enough resistance, and you can try different ones. You can also do this with one long band. This is a double one, big circle. So get it to a place where you have some tension on the sides, and then you're going to bring your hands in like you're going in a circle around your ears. So you want to bring it around the ear, and go ahead and look at how my back is. You can see between the shoulder blades, it's really like the shoulder blades are pulling together and then coming around. So you're feeling big round circles in those shoulder blades. And I would say do a minute of this or 2 minutes, depending on how much you can tolerate. And if it's too easy, get a thicker, more strong band. And notice I'm really pulling it around like I'm trying to brush both sides of my hair. So you're really pulling the hands around the ears, making big circles here. So now we're going to work the external rotator, and you're going to have your one hand down, pushing into the ground, so you're sitting up nice and tall. You want your tricep to be on the knee. So you need to find either a couch or something where you can sit with this leg elevated. And then you're going to actually take this hand straight down like there's glass on each side. So what you don't want to be doing is going around in different directions. You want to make a straight line with that hand. And I would start with maybe even just 1 pound. This is a 3-pound weight, because this can feel like a lot if you are not used to this. So I'm working the external rotator of my arm. And so you want to do this on both sides. Sitting nice and tall, and I'm sort of facing towards the center of my 2 knees. And you can do 10 or 20, depending on how it's feeling. And then, of course, you would want to do the other side. So again, sitting up nice and tall, making sure that tricep is on the knee. So a lot of times I see people down here or kind of like there. You really want to have that tricep really next to the elbow on the knee, and then down straight. And the other thing on this is the count. So 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, with no bounce and no momentum. So don't go bounce at the bottom. And you also want to go down as far as feels good, and then straight up in a line. Again, 10 to 20 of these, and start with a low weight and slowly build up. So this next exercise is going to work the front of the bicep connecting to the pectoral. So this can become very weak, and working the front side of this is going to be really important as we try to work on this upper body weakness. So you're going to have very light weights. Again, these are just 3 pounds, and you can do this on a bench if you have that available. So we're going to take our arms out, straight out at a 45-degree angle, and then bend the arms up into little goalpost arms. So you're going out at a 45-degree angle and coming up. So you would do about 10 to 20 of those, depending on how that's feeling. And then you would do a set out to the sides, coming up again into this little goalpost arms, engaging that bicep. So going out and in. You may even find that you don't need weights for this. It might be so intense. And then we're going to go down to 45-degree angle and then come up and down. So we're working this connection between the bicep and the pectoral from different directions to really strengthen this part of the body that can get very weak. I hope you like, subscribe, and share with a friend.